Today we're going to look at another aspect of the scheduler, and that is when you're trying to do multiple people on the same list. For our situation, we're dealing with a lot of foster children. We all want to teach, but we all don't want to be teaching the same thing. And so what we've done is we have made separate lists for everybody who's involved in teaching that particular child. But it's not just us. Sometimes families are going to have something that mom wants to teach and dad wants to teach. And so then you will be printing separate lists for that. Or mom might have an older teen who's trying to help. And so they would print a list for the teenager to work with the child. Or mom might have a situation where she's not real comfortable giving the entire list to a younger child, but parts of it. So she will make a list that will say mom and then a list that will list the child's name, and they'll print two separate lists. You can make as many of these lists as you want and use it for multiple different, and you can change it anytime you want to. So if dad says, I want to teach science, and then all of a sudden he says, but I also want to teach history, you can go back and modify it, add history in on dad's list, and go. Can you show us how that works?
Yeah, absolutely. Let's take a look. Log on to timberdoodleschedules.com. Find the grade that you want to schedule. And then use a unique name for your student. So this one will name Walker Mom's List. Leave on everything that you want to do with Walker. Take off anything you want to save for dad. So let's save math for dad. Let's leave him with smart cookies. And let's also leave him science. Everything else will stay on. Then hit Create Schedule, Generate Schedule, and that's mom's list. So come back out here, reselect the grade, and now let's name it Walker Dad's List. Now take off everything from dad's list that is on mom's list and only leave on what is dad's. So math, smart cookies, and science. Everything else comes off. Create schedule, generate schedule. Okay, so let's go back out to customize the schedule, find our grade again. Now we have Walker Mom's List and Walker Dad's List. At any time you can go in and edit them, you can delete items, you can go back and look at it and reprint it. Come back out here. There's Mom's List, again hit edit, and if you come back and look at the view the generated schedule, you can see the list that you have made and reprint it.
Wow, Hope, that really does help. I know for our family, it's been a real blessing to have multiple lists. And I'm sure it's going to help a lot of families who haven't even considered this option.
Absolutely.